Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Gaggia Accademia with us, and it came in the shop because it, one, had a broken water lid, and two, it just really needed maintenance and a tune-up. Also, while we were inside the machine, we took all the panels off, and we seen that your water pump, let me find your old one, was from 2016, so we did also replace that. And yeah, that's about all we did to it. So now we're going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with espresso. And we're using our test coffee for this test. We also descaled your machine, pretty much running a citric acid based liquid through all your pipes, running it through everything to get all the scale up or out. But now it's going to start brewing. See, looking good. Again, I didn't calibrate the beans to your machine. It's asking to refill water tank. I refilled the water tank. Now we're going to test the steam function and hot water function. We're going to start by hitting this button. We're going to hit hot water first. We're going to put this away. Let me get something smaller so that you can see the steam. There's that for you. Now we're going to test hot water. Now it's going to heat up and get ready to pour hot water. There's that for you. Now it's going to pour out hot water. So you see a steady stream. We're going to stop that. Now we're going to test the steam function. It's going to heat up and get ready to pour steam out. And there's that steam for you. And that's about all for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.